Welcome back and welcome to another Do Homework with me, Algebra 2. Before we get started, let us pray to thank God for this peaceful, quiet environment that we can enjoy the beauty of math. Alright, we're going to use inverse matrix to solve a linear system. Let us review before this new concept. How can you solve this linear system? We have equation 1, equation 2. We definitely can change equation 1 into x is 14 plus 2y. Then we substitute this when we say x. So we rewrite the second one into 2. It's not x anymore, it's 14 plus 2y. And copy down the rest. You're able to solve for y. Once you got y, you can find what x is. This is called substitution method. Another method you learned is called elimination. So as we can see, we have negative, positive, but we have negative 2y and positive 1y. Therefore, we can multiply the second equation, 2, to each side. We have a new one, 4x, 2y, and 16. Then we copy down the previous one, equation 1, x minus 2y equals 14. We write them vertically because we can add equation 1 and equation 2. In this way, we can eliminate y. Go ahead and solve for x first. Once you got x, you will be able to find y. This is our quick review. What is called substitution? What is called elimination? Of course, we can always graph it. When you say two lines intersect each other like this, you have one solution. When you say two lines, they're parallel. Oh, okay, that's better. There's no solutions. When you say two lines coincide, there are infinitely many solutions. So now we just reviewed 3 previous methods. Let us learn how to use our new method. To use the new method, step 1, we're going to write this linear system as a matrix equation called AX equals B, where A is matrix A, B is matrix B. X, we're going to find out what the variable is. Okay? So that's the idea. For this reason, we're going to write our matrix A as 1, negative 2, 2, 1. Why? Because it's here. 1, negative 2, and 2, 1. So matrix A is matrix A is done. Then X is the variable we're going to find out. We need to find x and y, so you write down x and y. And then you're going to write down matrix B. Matrix B is right here. So it's a 14, 8. Okay? And then the second step, we're going to find the inverse of a coefficient matrix A. Why? Because here's a rule. In order to find x, x is inverse of coefficient matrix A times B. For this reason, we're going to find inverse of matrix A, this coefficient matrix. Alright, here I just wrote down how do we find inverse of matrix A. We need to find the determinant, then 1 over determinant, and then we need to rearrange it. We say D, we say A, we can negate B, negate C, so it's the opposite of B, the opposite of C. And then this part gives us the determinant of the matrix A. Don't forget you do 1 and add a fraction bar. And then here you need to rearrange it. And A and D switch order, and B and C need to get its opposite. All right, I calculated. Did you calculate this one? Do you have 0.2, 0.4, and negative 0.4? I have 0.2. If you forgot how to do this, please refer to the previous video. You need to look at how to find a determinant, how to find inverse of matrix. Alright, here comes the last step. Remember, in order to find x, use this new method, we need to use inverse of matrix times matrix B. So inverse matrix is the one we just found out. I'm going to copy down one more time. And here's negative, and here's positive. And a matrix B is here. Okay, and I hope you still remember when we multiply these two matrices and we do horizontal, vertical. Pause this video, give it a go. Okay, I have 6, negative 4. Remember this part, and 6 is the x, negative 4 is y. Now you're done. X is 6, y is negative 4. We are done. To check this question, of course, you can always use the previous method, graphing, substitution, and elimination to check it. Now you have all 4 methods to solve a linear system. Let me know which one is your most favorite method, which one is your least favorite. Happy learning.